Today we'll see how to configure L3VPN using IGPS IS-IS with TE. We are not going to use TE, but still before segment routing we want to try to test this. So that's why I am having this setup. So it is the same setup as L3VPNV6, and before we can see the detailed discussions. Here I will just show the configurations. This is the 4 nodes. In CE1, this is VTYSH, this is the configuration. In loopback, I have configured 4.4 and IS-IS. And IS-IS, here I am redistributing only the level 1. This is PE1. In PE1 router, this is the configuration. In loopback, I am running IS-IS, and in ETH2, I am running IS-IS1, and ETH1 IS-IS2. ETH1 is between CE1 and PE1. ETH2 is between PE1 and P. So this is, I am running a BGP on IPv6 and activating it, and in the VRF I am redistributing connector as well as IS-IS. This RD value is 22, the same should be in PE2. Then this is the IS-IS configuration with MPLS-TE enabled, and this connection IS-IS1 is between PE1 and PE2. This IS-IS2 is between CE1 and PE2. So we can just check the other configurations. Before that, we can check show IS-IS neighbor. This is between PEs, but between CEs it is VRF. So this is the configuration, output. This is P node. Here we will run only IS-IS and LDP. Only IS-IS without LDP, the label is getting distributed. So this is loopback 2, the IS-IS I am running. On ETH1 as well as ETH2. This is PE2, that was P1, and this is PE2. So loopback IS-IS1, and ETH1 is between PE1, so it is IS-IS1. ETH2 is between CE, this is VRF IS-IS, this is IS-IS2. This is BGP, and this is VRF BGP, and I am redistributing it. And IS-IS1 we have configured with segment routing, and IS-IS2 is with CE1. So now here also we can see IS-IS neighbor, and show IS-IS VRF CE1 VRF neighbor. Sorry, it's a spelling mistake. So both are configured. So this is the CE node. In CE node I am having loopback I.1, IS-IS2 I am configuring with redistributing level 1. So now if you see, in PE1 we should have BGP running. So it's running, it redistributed with the 2 routes. This is V4. V4 VPN is not there. This is V6. So this V6 routes should be in IPv6 route. So it's redistributed. The same route should be 6 route. The second router, PE2 router, VRF, CE1, VRF1. So it is distributed. Now you should be able to see that in CE router so that you can ping. Show IPv6 route. This is normal route, not VRF. So if you see, this is 4.4. We will see 4.4 from CE2. So 4.4 is there. Now we'll ping. Sorry, 444. So same way from C1 we can ping to 5 also. So now we will try to capture the packet. For that we can see the table, MPLS table. So this is the table which is using, inside the transport layer is SR. Now we can ping and check how it goes. This is the first router where it goes with a normal ICMP. You can see IPMP request reply. This is the second bridge. See here it is putting two label. Instead of LDP label we are using segment routing label 1703. You can see how it is. See, this is 1703 and 80. Then if you go to the second third node, it is see, you can see 80. This is the reply 80 and it has stripped off and it is sending. The last node it should be without any label. So it is without any label. So we can even capture the packet and check. This is the same packet capture. So in the first node it is without any label, and the second bridge it is with label, with transport label as well as L3VPN label. L3VPN label is 80. This is segment route creator label 1703 where I am using IS-IS-TE. And this is the third node. Here you can see it is stripped off and it is sending on to L3VPN. This is the reply which has both. And in the last node, last bridge you will have without the labels. So this is easy. First you try this and then on top of this we can see segment routing V6. Thank you.